Where words fail, music speaks. So to experience a whole new level of music, you need a good pair of headphones. This week we have the Skullcandy HEsh3 over-the-ear Bluetooth headphones for you. As a number of smartphone manufacturers have started doing away with the 3.5mm audio jack, users are opting for Bluetooth-enabled wireless headphones. I for one prefer Bluetooth headphones as I don't have to worry about those dangling wires. The HEsh3 at the first look of it doesn't look premium at all. In fact, there is no visible branding or logo to even give an idea that it's a Skullcandy product. Very light watermark of the logo on the left and right headset, just above your ear cups. The large ear cups and the cushioning near the headband makes it comfortable to wear for long hours. The initial few minutes were a little uncomfortable while I adjusted them, but once I found the right spot, I was happy putting them on for long hours. The HEsh3 is made up of plastic with matte finish and they're very lightweight, we have to say that, and they fold easily as well, making them easy to carry around. At the bottom of the left ear cup, you have 3 buttons with rubberized finish which gives the headphones a little inferior look. The center button is to turn the headphone on or off, and it also used to put the headphones in pairing mode. The other 2 are volume up and down keys. You can also skip tracks when you press and hold them for 2 seconds. Below the buttons, you have the micro USB port for charging and 3.5mm audio socket for connecting a male-to-male audio cable for wired audio listening when the battery runs out. To test the headphones, I of course use my smartphone as audio source. For testing, we use tracks like 24K Magic by Bruno Mars, Titanium by David Guetta and Sia, and some others. Now the vocals sound clear and the mid-range sound good, but highs sometimes feel a bit sharp. The listening experience deteriorated a bit more as the bass kicks in. The volume at medium, the audio is bearable, but when you increase the volume to about 80% or more, you can easily hear the distortion. In fact, the bass also feels bloated. Lastly, we listen to Rose of Jericho by BT, and it is completely electronica dance genre. There are no lyrics, just music. And again, the mid-range was good, the bass sounded slightly bloated, and the sharpness in highs was audible too. One good part about these headphones is that wide ear cups that fits to offer good noise isolation as well. While walking on the road, I could easily hear my lyrics clearly and could barely hear the outside ambient noise. Now this is something that you would really want from your headphones. Moving on to the important battery part. The HEsh3 don't disappoint you here at all. My usual usage included listening to music for about 4 hours a day, and the battery lasted for a little over 4 days, or we can say that about 15 hours during my use. There's also rapid charging, so 15 minutes of charging can give you an hour of playback quite easily. And life is one grand sweet song, so start the music.